Hi, if you want to leave the shores of your country, looking for an international job with or without visa sponsorship, this video is for you. Now, just grab your coffee, sit down, make yourself comfortable, and let's dive into this video. But before we do that, I need you to do one thing for me. Click on that subscribe button, that black button that reads subscribe. Just click on it and select all so that you'll be part of this farm and you'll be seeing more videos, more information videos. And don't forget to like and drop your comment afterwards in this video. And let's get started. I am Linda from Linda Michaels TV. I'm a lifestyle vlogger, I'm a nurse in Ireland, and I make videos about traveling, immigration from EU to Ireland and from other countries to Ireland. Any opportunity I see that will benefit those that want to travel and come and live in Ireland, I do share them here. I answer a lot of questions from people in my DM to solve some of their problems and questions pertaining to Ireland. In today's video, we'll be talking about critical skills employment permits. This permit has been around for some while and people have been using it to travel and work in Ireland. Even those that have traveled have brought their dependents, lived and settled with stamp 4 in Ireland, as in having permanent residence. So let's get into this critical skill work permit and see how it goes. As a result of the Brexit, Ireland gained an opportunity to shine as Europe's only English-speaking country. This attracts multiple international highly skilled companies relocating to Ireland as their base in Europe. And this gave an opportunity for highly skilled workers, targeting them from all over the world to come in and work and fill in the spaces of job opportunities in Ireland. This critical skills employment permit targets all professionals all over the world. And that's the list I'm going to be calling out for you today to check your eligibility if you are qualified, and if you find your employment as one of those needed, then you can apply. So guys, let's go down through the list so you check your eligibility. All right. Yeah, in this video, here is the list from the website and just check. The number one we have here is production managers and directors. And it goes on to list site managers. We have ICT professionals, information technology and telecommunication directors. So if you are a tech person, this is your opportunity, all right? We have health and social services managers and directors, okay? If you are into health, social service and managers and their directors, it includes senior health services and public health manager directors. So you can apply. We have natural and social science professionals. And under this, we have chemical scientists in manufacturing, including food and beverages, medical devices, product development, analytical development. We have medical laboratory scientists under this. We have biological scientists and biochemists in manufacturing, including food and beverage, medical devices, and so on. It includes physical scientists in manufacturing, also including food and beverages. So if you are in that line, you know you are eligible to apply. There is also engineering professionals. There's also civil engineers, structural engineers, and site engineers. If your profession is engineering, you can also apply. Mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, electronics engineers specializing in chip design, test engineering, or application engineering, and so forth. We have design and development engineers. We also have quality control or validation and regulation engineers, chip design, test, and the rest. Production and process engineers. We also have material scientists, setting out engineer. All the classes of engineering jobs are listed here, almost all. We have information technology and telecommunications professionals. We also have IT and program managers, IT managers. We have IT analytic IT business analytic architects and system designers, programmers, software developers, health professionals, medical professionals. Under health professionals, we have medical professionals, psychologists, industrial pharmacists, so pharmacists, we have radiographers, we have radiation therapists, vascular technologists, physiologists, gastrointestinal technologists, stroke physiologists, we have podiatrists, chiropodists, wow, audiologists, perfusionists, dietitians, medical scientists. We have therapy professionals. We also have nursing and midwifery professionals. So guys, this list is endless. All right, I will stop there. Now let me just brief you about this employment. Go down, you will see more of the employments, and you find yours. If you find yours, start searching for job that includes this employment. And before you search for job, you make sure that the total annual salary reaches 32,000 euro. All right, don't go search a job where what you will get at the end of the year is like 27 or 10. And confirming that your profession is on the list, you have to have a degree or higher qualifications. And whereby you don't have up to a degree, you must have work experience to back up your application. Nurses that have diploma are also qualified to apply and register with the NMBI onto this critical skill working visa. I've done a video on how to find jobs in Ireland, and that video will pop up here. Yes, so you go through that video if you haven't watched it to get more ideas on how to find jobs in Ireland. There are other job websites like that video. I listed a lot of them, but let me just mention a few here. irishjobs.ie, jobs.ie, LinkedIn, Glassdoor.ie, Indeed.ie, and lots of them. There are lots of jobs. Any website you go to search for a job in Ireland, there are lots of jobs available in Ireland, and most of them can pay up to 32,000 euro, which is required. Okay, you don't need to get employed with any company that is paying less than that. It's not conforming with the government's regulation towards the critical skill working permit. Now let's go ahead. So when you apply to this company and they talk with you, go through their interview process, you go through all their requirements, and you merit the employment, they will give you an offer letter. And that offer letter is the number one thing that is so important in this process. Then with that offer letter of your job, you will have a contract with it, and it's regulated that they must give you a contract up to 2 years. They must pay you up to 32,000 per year annual salary. The contract must be up to 2 years. You will start applying for critical skill work permit. All right, there are many other works permits. There are general work permit for Ireland, and there are critical skill, but we are dealing with critical skill here. So you apply for critical skill work permit. This can go in 2 ways. Your employer may decide to apply for you, which means that sponsoring you with visa sponsorship, and you may apply for yourself in the case that the employer is not sponsoring. But one advice is this: waiting for your employer to sponsor you may delay the job offer. All right, so even if they give you the job and they say they won't offer you, you can sponsor your visa. Like, you can sponsor your visa and your work permit. And getting the work permit is 1,000 euro. You must apply for this from your home country. You start the application with your job offer and job offer letter and work contracts and other documents that may be required of you. As you are going through the process, you will see all the requirements. You apply for critical skill working permit. So with that critical skill working permit, it takes about 3 months to be through. When it comes out, then you will use it and start applying for your visa in your country. If your country doesn't have an Irish embassy, there will be a neighboring country where you'll be referred to. Then you go to the neighboring country for appointment and tender everything you have, and the visa will be processed, and on merit you will get your visa. All right, and the visa costs 60 euro if you are to apply for yourself, but when your employer is sponsoring you, they will take care of the visa and everything. But when you are looking for a job, as I said before, for an employer to sponsor you, that may delay your process. So if you are ready to Japan, ready to move and get job in a foreign country as you desire, as I see many people writing me about Ireland, you can decide to sponsor yourself. When you reach at the level, do you need sponsorship? You can say no. So they will just offer you the job and you find yourself here. And in the process of the visa working permit, when the permit is refused, 90% of it will be paid back to you. So don't think you are losing your money. It's either your 1,000 euro works for you and you get the employment and you see yourself working in Ireland, or the 90% of the money you paid will be given back to you. So we hold it there today. In another video, I will show you how you can step by step apply. But these are the processes and the eligibility. So just check if you are eligible, start looking for job and applying to companies. All right. In the next video, I will show you step by step on how you can go through the critical skill working visa form. All right, the form, because when I talk with many people and send them the list, they don't understand it will end there. I will show how you can fill this form so you can know how to do it yourself, DIY, from your home country. I wish everybody good luck in everything you're looking for. I wish you success. And if you haven't liked this video, what are you still waiting for? If you haven't subscribed to this channel, you want me to cry for you? I don't have time, but I spend my time to make video for you. You will watch and go sneaking in and out of my channel, getting all the info you need. Just subscribe and be good. God bless you. Thank you very much. And to my OGs, and if you are just coming across this channel, I'm greeting you and I'm saying bye. See you in my next video. Ciao.